What if you could own a piece of $1 billion shopping mall or a massive luxury apartment building using just the spare change in your pocket? You do not need a massive bank account, a perfect credit score, or a mortgage. Pre-approval to start building your real estate empire today. The ultimate shortcut to truly passive income is investing in a real estate investment trust, which is a company that owns and operates income-producing commercial properties. By purchasing shares of a REIT on the public stock market, you instantly become a partial owner of their massive real estate portfolio without ever having to manage a single tenant or fix a leaky roof. These unique companies are actually legally required by the government to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income directly back to their shareholders in the form of high-yield dividends. This means you get to enjoy the consistent monthly or quarterly cash flow of real estate combined with the extreme liquidity of a stock that you can easily buy or sell from your phone. It is hands down the absolute easiest way for absolute beginners to instantly diversify their money across massive property types like data centers, medical facilities, and industrial warehouses. Let's log into a standard brokerage account right now. So, I can show you exactly how to analyze and buy your very first share of real estate before the market closes.